coming absent. Okay, so in solving problems, first, you need to read and understand the problem. Kailangan daw pong basahin ng maigi at intindihin. Okay? The easiest way is to tell it to yourself. Okay? You have to put yourself in that situation. Kailangan daw ikwento nyo siya sa sarili nyo, tapos imagine niyo kayo daw yung character doon sa problem for you to easily understand it. Next is to plan. You have to decide what is needed to be done. What operation should be used. You can use diagrams. Okay? Because sometimes there are many steps that you need to go through before solving a problem. Okay? Before getting the answer. And lastly, finally, is to execute your plan, which is to solve. Okay? You have to solve and to check your answer. You have to make sure that you check it before you submit it or before you present it to others or before you use it for your own. Okay. So for our problem, please read the first problem. Who wants to read? Anyone? Eleanor would like to surprise her mother. Who wants to read? Anyone else? Okay, Juriel, please read the problem on page 112.
Eleanor would like to surprise her mother by giving her some presents on her birthday. A blouse is priced at 450 pesos, while a pair of pants cost 565 pesos more than the blouse. How much money does she need to be available
Able?
able to buy both items for her mother?
Very good job. Okay, so first, let us read and understand. We already read it. Now, let's try to understand what is being asked. Okay, what is the problem? What is happening in our problem? Okay, first, what is happening? Anong meron kay Eleanor? Anong meron kay Eleanor? Ano gusto niyang mangyari? Yes, Jayana?
She wants to surprise her mother.
Very good, Joanna. So Eleanor wants to surprise her mother. Next, how is Eleanor going to surprise her mother? What will she do? What is she planning to do to surprise her mother? Ano kaya yung gustong gawin? Any other hands? Yes, Daniel Josh.
He wants to buy a pair of pants and a pair of a blouse.
Very good job. Very smart, Daniel Josh. So Eleanor wants to buy a pair of pants and a blouse for her mother as a surprise for her birthday. Now, what is asked on our problem? What are we going to look at? What are we going to solve? What are we looking for in this problem? What is asked? Yes, Jana?
Kung paano niya po bibiliin yung pants at t-shirt.
Okay, kung paano niya bibilihin ang pants and t-shirt. Very good. That is correct. Any other answers? Aside from paano niya bibilihin, what is asked on the problem? Yes, Ken?
How much money does she need to buy those things for her mother?
Very good job. So how does she need to buy those items for her mother? Magkano daw po ang kailangan niyang pera para mabili niya yung blouse at yung pair of pants? So that is asked. What is asked? How much money does she need to be able to buy both items for her mother? Now, let us plan. Okay. In planning, we have to recognize what are the given. What are the given in our problem? Yes, Sato? What are the given
Teacher, di ba
values?
napag-aralan na natin yan?
Yes, napag-aralan na natin to sa addition. Tama ka dyan. Yes, Sato? What are
Pero
the
yan,
given?
teacher, pa-iba-iba na.
Yes, dalawa na siya. Medyo mahirap na to. Yes, Kuya Sato? What are the given? Sato, you're on mute. What are the given? Ano daw yung mga numbers na nakikita mo? Ano yung mga values na ibinigay sa atin? Si Ethan pala yun. Okay, you want to help?
Teacher, can I
Ethan?
see?
Okay, you
Teacher,
can
can I
see. Sige, please help him, Ethan. What are the given?
450, 165.
Very good job. So we have two values in here. We have 450 pesos and 565 pesos. Now, the question is, what is the use of that numbers? Okay, we are going to plan about how are we going to use those numbers. Okay, so now let's read very carefully. A blouse is priced 450 pesos. Ibig sabihin daw, yung blouse daw ay 450 pesos. Okay, blouse. Blouse is equals to 450 pesos. While I want you to focus on this sentence because later I will ask you what are we going to do. Okay. While a pair of pants costs 565 pesos more than the blouse. Again, while the pair of pants costs 565 pesos more than the blouse. Okay, here is the question. Yung 565 pesos, para saan yun? Para saan yung 565 pesos? Yes, Ian? Sa pants. Very good job. Gagamitin daw natin si 565 pesos para malaman natin yung pants. Okay. Here is another question. Magkano daw yung pants? Sinong nagsabi na yung pants daw ay 565 pesos? Pakitaas ang kamay. Yung pants daw po ay 565 pesos. So according to Sato, si Jean, Jana, and Juriel, yung pants daw po ay 565 pesos. Okay. Next. Sino naman yung nagsabi na yung pants daw po ay hindi 565 pesos? Hindi. Sato, ano talaga yung sagot mo? Opo o hindi po?
Opo.
Opo, okay. Sino naman nagsabing hindi daw 565 pesos yung pants? Bukod kay Ethan, may iba pa bang magsasabi na hindi daw 565 pesos yung pants? Wala na pong ibang mag-erase? Wala nang hahabol? Okay, babasahin ko ulit ha. While a pair of pants is 565 pesos more than the blouse. Okay. Uulitin ko yung tanong. While a pair of pants is 565 pesos more than the blouse. Think of that word, more than. Okay. Yung pants po ba ay 565 pesos? Sino nagsabing opo? Please raise your hand. Opo. Okay. Si
Ano daw po?
Si Juriel, si Juliana, si Sato. Okay.
Ano po?
Sino na po nagsabing hindi daw po 565 pesos yung pants? Hindi daw 565 pesos. Okay, si Ethan pa rin? Si Ethan lang? Okay, because of that, let's give a big round of applause to Kuya Ethan. Very good job. Very good si Ethan.
1,050.
Okay.
Bakit
So,
pala, teacher?
bakit hindi 565 pesos yung pants or pair of pants? Okay, now,
400.
tatagalogin ni teacher para sa inyo, ah. Okay. Tatagalogin ni teacher yung situation para sa inyo. Makinig ng maigi. Ibig sabihin ng more than, anak, ay lamang. Kung sa pera ay mas mahal. Okay? So, pag tinagalog natin yan, yung blouse daw ay 450 pesos. Yung pants daw ay mas mahal sa blouse ng 565 pesos. Ibig sabihin, mas mahal siya sa blouse ng 565 pesos. Ano ang gagawin natin para malaman natin kung magkano yung pants? Ano ang gagawin natin? Is there any other hands aside from Ethan? Sabi daw sa problem, sige po, ihika po. Yung pants daw, mas mahal siya ng 565 pesos kaysa, quiet ka Ethan, kaysa kay blouse.
Inom po ako.
Okay po, sige, bilisan. Ano daw ang gagawin?
Teacher, may I pee?
Okay, magpipik kayo. Sige, yun ang gagawin. Yes, Ken?
Maminus?
Ima-minus. Okay, is there any other answers? Yes, Jana?
450. Ipa-plus?
Ipa-plus. Very good. Kanina pa sinasabi ni Ethan ipa-plus. Kailangan daw nating ipag-plus yung 565 pesos tsaka 450 pesos para malaman natin kung magkano yung pants. Okay, so kindly bring out your whiteboards, please.
Teacher, may I pee?
Okay.
Wala
Naku,
akong
lahat
whiteboard.
na nag
Wala akong marker, teacher.
Oh, kahit walang marker, notebook
Hindi
and
pwede.
ballpen. Okay. So on your notebook, on your whiteboard, anywhere that you can write on, kindly find the price of the pants. Magkano daw yung pants? 565 plus 450. Magkano daw po ang pants? Wow, very good. Siyan, very good. Magkano daw po ang pants? Baba mo muna, mamaya maipakita ulit. Huwag mo munang buburahin. 565 plus 450. Magkano daw ang pants? Matthew, you're not doing anything. Pakipag-plus po ang 565 at 450. Nakikita ko kayo.
Ako po. Teacher, done na.
Very good.
Done na po.
Okay, very good. Okay, may I see your answers? In
Wait
3.
lang po, teacher.
Okay, let's wait daw.
Napakita ko.
Magkano daw po ang pants niya? May I see your answers? In 3, 2, 1, go. Magkano daw ang pants niya? Very good job. Okay, the pants is worth 1,015 pesos. Kindly give yourselves a round of applause. Okay, but are we done with the problem? Did we solve the problem? Nasolve na ba natin? Hindi pa. Hindi pa daw, sabi ni
Hindi
Gianna.
pa.
Kasi ang tinatanong, magkano lahat? Okay, magkano lahat? So, kanina daw, nasolve na nakita
Add pa yung
natin.
450.
Oh, yun, very good. Sabi daw natin kanina, yung blouse daw ay equal sa 450. Okay. Tapos, si pants, nakuha natin siya, nalaman natin na siya ay equal sa 1,015 pesos. Okay, now, how are we going to get the total number or the total price kung magkano ang kailangan nating gawin? Kailangan nating bayaran or kailangan ni Eleanor na makuha para daw po mabili niya ang kanyang mama ng blouse at pants. Anong gagawin natin ngayon? Anong plano nyo?
Minus.
Yes, Alti Kurt?
Plus.
Ipa-plus, very good. Ipa-plus mo yung blouse tsaka yung pants. Okay, so the mathematical equation for that or the number sentence for that is equals to 450 plus, okay, inuna nating ipag-plus kanina, di ba? Yung 450 plus 565 para sa pants. So, ilalagay natin siya sa loob ni parenthesis. Okay. Now, nalaman na natin na ang pants daw ay worth 1,015. So, now I want you to get the total price. Magkano daw lahat? What is the answer in our problem? Please compute 1,015 plus 450. 1,015 plus 450. I will give you 1 minute to answer that. Magkano daw po? And please put the proper label. Ano yun? Ano yung magiging sagot dyan? Apples ba yun? Banana? Kung ano man siya? Okay, Ethan. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya ang label na magiging sagot natin dyan?
Tapos na, teacher.
Very good.
Tapos na po, teacher.
Ready?
Tapos na po, teacher.
Very good. I can see some are still computing, still counting. Okay, may I
Teacher,
see your
done.
answers in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. With proper label, okay? Kailangan nyo yung lagyan ng label. Kung pesos, or apples, or lemon, or pineapple, or shirts, or ano man yan. Ano ba yan? Okay, kailangan may proper label. Ready? 3, 2, 1. May I see? Okay, very good. Wow. Very good job. How about Jana? Jayana? Very good job. The answer is 1,465 pesos. Very good. Okay, so that is how we solve a two-step problem. Okay, now, for our activity, kindly turn your books to page 115, please.